Genius Kids. Cultivating love for learning.
Abstinence. Chapter 7. The Path to Good Habits. Get connected. Self-awareness. Do you watch a lot of TV, procrastinating for homework or studies? Do you find yourself spending a lot of time on social media, compulsively checking networking sites or photography apps? In today's day and world, there are many distractions that could hamper progress. The best thing to do is abstain from these so that you don't waste too much time. Abstinence is to control yourself from such temptations. Knowledge acquisition. Plotters said, "In everything, the middle road is best." Keeping control on one's actions physically and emotionally is the key to abstinence. Today, everyone is addicted to the internet, the television, social media, or the like. People like to binge watch their favorite shows or movies. They are playing games online which are many a times violent and not ideal. These games draw a fine line between the real world and the virtual one. There have been known instances of young children shooting others because they did not comply with their demands. Teenagers who are addicted to social media are at times duped online by fraudsters. People end up losing money gambling online, so much that they are steeped into debt. If only people use their time in moderation and abstain from these temptations, life would be simpler. Abstinence is to restrain oneself from getting addicted to the wrong things. Gambling, smoking, drinking, addiction to social media, addiction to games, addiction to online shopping, all are negative traits that a person needs to abstain from. Most of these can be serious addictions if not addressed well in time. All of these addictions come with serious mental and physical complications. Addictions to substances, also known as substance abuse, has serious ramifications for life. People who are addicted to drugs or drinking have constant cravings. They have physical issues like shivering, clammy hands, even breathing problems, and other issues that could have long-lasting effects. Addiction to mobile phones causes physical problems like back pain, spinal issues, hand and limb problems to youngsters. They keep checking and rechecking their mobile phones for updates, which sometimes causes anxiety. Garnering enough likes and comments for their photos and updates that they put online is a competition. The worst part is some of these games even ask the player to commit suicide, and there have been instances where young people have done it. Even small children are given mobile phones to distract them while others in the house are busy. This leads of harmful rays being subjected to younger children, and it affects them a lot more badly than the others. Younger children also do not understand the implications of clicking on various links and downloading content that could be potentially a threat for the mobile phone user. There have been many cases wherein small children have unknowingly installed malicious apps which steal data and hack bank accounts of the people who use the phones. Addictions like gambling and online shopping have had such bad implications that people steal and commit frauds simply to sustain their habits. All this can be avoided if people abstain from such games or play them within limits. Ancient Indian culture and yoga also prescribes the path of abstinence. Even religions think abstinence is a good thing. Fasting during religious days is a great example of abstinence. Certain religions impose fasting during certain months of the year or at certain times of the day. Some religions require to abstain from some types of foods like meats or certain vegetables. Abstinence is a good means to ensure that you remain safe and happy always. There will always be a temptation waiting right around the corner. It could be something that temporarily eases pain and gives a high. Or it might be something like mobile phones, a necessity in today's world, but a menace to be addicted to.
Like, share, and subscribe.